You guys, I'm having a really poofy face kind of day. Maybe I had a little too much sodium the night before, but I'm like so puffy today. Sorry. Hi, welcome to Danny Bomb. Today I'm doing a Zara Missguided and Amazon haul. So let's get right to it. You guys go lick yourself over there. No? You gotta sit right on me, huh? Oh boy. You guys, can you please go over there? Thank you. Millie, can you please go over there? Millie, go over there. Stay there. You guys all stay there. Oh my. So I bought a bunch of workout clothes on Amazon because as much as I love Lululemon and Aloe Yoga, I don't want to drop $80, $90, $100 on a piece of legging. So I got the next best thing. This is from Posh Diva. And I got it in this color. This is kind of like a olive-ish color. Really move out the way. I don't know if you see it. I'll try it on. It's super cute. So all the dogs want to be around me right now. Can you guys go sit over there? This one is from Running Girl. It's a sports bra. I haven't bought clothes in forever, so I was really in need of a wardrobe change. Has a crisscross background. So cute. And it has like a wannabe Lululemon logo. Except it's their own little logo, obviously. Oh my word, babies. So the next thing is another sports bra. I just hope that it fits. Last time I bought sportswear from Amazon, it fit really well. And I was like, I'm only gonna get sportswear from Amazon. This one is like a coral kind of color. Oh, careful. Crisscross in the back again. Crazy Yoga. That's the brand. I thought I purchased a bunch from the same brand, but I guess it's like their own little... They get it from elsewhere as well. Alright, so another crisp bag. I think I've been just wanting to try it out. Because before, I never ever... Because I don't like complicated things. But it was so cute. So hopefully it works out. Because I personally prefer convenience and how comfortable something is. As opposed to how like cute something is. Okay, this one I think might be a crop top. Let's see. Oh yeah, super cute. It has the little crisscross in the front. Could probably wear it casually as well. It's getting super hot in here because of all these girls, and they don't want to leave me. Another one. Oh my god, this legging, so cute. I want it kind of like a reddish color, but this is more burgundy than red, but I'll take it. So excited to try these on. I've been trying to work out a little bit more lately, so okay, lap dog. Oh, I wish you could see her on my lap right now. It's ridiculous and hot. It's very hot. Got a pinkish legging. Okay, so that's everything from Amazon. I usually only buy clothes when it's on sale because I can't really justify spending so much on clothes. I rarely buy clothes. The only thing that I really like to invest in are outerwear. I love outerwear. I'll also spend money on really nice shoes that I don't wear, bags, but it was time for a wardrobe change. And I've been doing a lot of spring cleaning, selling stuff on Poshmark, and I was like, okay, it's time to buy some clothes. Anyway, this I got from Zara, kind of like a can be worn off shoulder-ish cardigan. Kind of has a crop fit to it as well. This, I don't know if this is gonna work out. Like, it looked really cute online. It's a mint crop top. I rarely wear crop top, but I don't know. I've just been in a crop top mood, so we'll see. I love pleats. This is a pleated pants. Has like a goldish shimmer on it. It almost looks like a skirt also. So everything was less than about $20. $19.90, $19.95. Everything on sale. And this brand, Missguided, I've never purchased anything from them before. Missguided had like a 50% off sale, I think. And then on top of that, it had another extra some, which made me want to purchase it. But I just realized they had a really shitty return policy, so I don't know if I want to purchase from them again, just in case these don't work out. I don't want to pay another shipping fee. So Zara is always free shipping when you purchase it and when you return it. Missguided, you have to pay for shipping. I know I'm kind of a cheapo when it comes to shipping. I always kind of back out of my cart when I see shipping cost. But anyway, this is, I don't remember how, I'll put everything, how much everything costs on top. All right, so what I got, what is this? What did I buy? Holy, I don't remember buying a size 6. Did I? Anyway, I don't even remember what I purchased, but apparently I purchased this shirt. And it's huge. Oh my gosh, it's like pajama wear. And then I have to pay shipping to return it? Okay. Anyway, I purchased that. I'm gonna check my purchase history. What in the world? I don't remember buying this either. Is this even for me? Yeah, it says to Daniela Lee. Okay, well, apparently I purchased this, or I thought I purchased this online. It's like a sweater dress. Maybe it looked a little bit more oversized on the website, but this kind of looks fitted, and maybe it'll look different when I wear it. We'll see. We'll see what they tricked me with, what picture they tricked me with. In pink. Yeah, I definitely did not buy a 6 if I purchased a 4 on this one. I don't know. It's a pink version. It's an oversized boyfriend shirt. Okay, so it is supposed to be oversized. But that one was a little bit too oversized. I think this might work out. This might work out, but the other one, and maybe they messed up. Alright, so I needed a hoodie because I always steal Ted's, and they're often usually ugly. He likes to wear a lot of blues. Okay, so this one is a basic hoodie in a cute cream color. It would have been nice when it came when it was colder. It's a lot hotter now because the sun's coming out. So I probably would only wear this early in the morning and then change out of it because it gets really, really hot. But it's not bad. This one's not bad. and I don't remember how much I spent on it. But I'm gonna check the transaction history now. So that's about it. I'll try some of these on. They might work, they might not. We'll see. Okay, so apparently I did order these and they're not bad. And they were only, what, $4? I mean, there's this bottom part is a little awkward because it's just, I don't know, it's okay, but it'd be cute with like flats, with, I don't know, booties. It's not bad. Off shoulder. The material is not bad. The only concern is that when I'm out, you might see my bra or underwear. I don't know how thin it is. Right now it's kind of dark in here, so it works, but when I'm out in the light, it might show everything. So I don't know, maybe it's one of those things I just wear inside, or I wear, I don't know, boy shorts under, but hey, it ain't bad for $4. Come up. Okay, so this is the oversized boyfriend top. It's not too pajama-y. I guess I'm bigger than I thought I was. It's not bad. I don't know if I love it. Let's see if we can see the texture on there. Okay. It's all right for casual, but I'm not sure if I want to keep it. Okay, this is the same one in pink. It's a little bit brighter. Don't mind it so much. Really loose. It's great. Comfortable. Probably keep this one. Okay, I actually really love this hoodie. Oh, it's so comfortable. Really cute pastelish cream color. This really soft fleece material. Oh, I just really love it. Okay, so moving on to Zara. This was the crop top that I wasn't sure if it would work, and it's not bad. Pairing it with a pencil skirt. So it's cute, but then it has this weird, I don't know, it's not like exactly fitting here, as you can see. And it's not like a issue where if I were to just pull it down, it would fix itself. So other than that, I think it's really cute. The color's not too bad, but I don't know if I want to keep it because of this scrunchy. Oh, these, yeah. I don't know. Okay, so these are the pleated pants that I got from Zara. So friggin' cute and comfortable. Like, so airy. I love that I don't know, I just love things that are comfortable, but I love that it's also really cute and chic. And this is the workout top that I got from Amazon. See how it works for like casual wear also? I love it. Yes, yo. All right, so this is the cardigan. Kind of cropped, boxy cardigan from Zara. Not sure, like it looks okay, it's cute, but I'm just worried about whether this would stay after a wash. The quality is just okay. I mean, obviously I'd have to hand wash it or put it in delicate, but I've never been really good about washing things properly. So, I don't know. We'll see. So onto the Amazon workout gear. This is probably not the best time to try on my workout stuff right after a big meal. Just had a bunch of dim sum, but whatever. Anyway, this one, it's a little bit thinner. You can kind of see like all the panty line. Usually it's not too bad, but this one I feel like you can see all the lumps and I don't know. I don't like it. I'll probably still just keep it. It's still comfortable. Can do squats easily. The white sports bra is really comfortable. Let me see if you can see the, okay, you can see the cross. The back. Oh, I can't do this on my own. But super cute. It's not bad. Okay, I love these. Immediately when I tried them on, they fit so comfortably. It's really, really stretchy. It has pockets. As you can see, the other one was a little bit constricting, and ironically, for something that felt so tight, it felt so, it was really thin. This one, I don't know, it just feels, I can move around a lot better in it. I mean, they both were okay, but this one just feels so comfortable. Like, I can probably eat some more and not feel like I need to rip it apart. Not bad. Love this one. Alright, so that's the next sports bra. Cute back. Okay, last but not least, this pinkish purplish legging, and then this army green. It looks black kind of. Army green sports bra. Back. I don't know. I don't know if I love these two. This one makes me feel like I have a camel toe, like a really big camel toe. It's really padded for some reason. It's really awkward. Yeah, I don't know why. Ugh, just can't stop looking at it. All right, but is it comfortable? Yes, it's comfortable. Is it distracting? Yes, very distracting. The top could work. I rarely work out with my shirt off, but yeah, it could work. So that is everything that I got. Hopefully having somebody actually try it on and seeing the fit is helpful. Disclosure, I have really weird proportions for an Asian girl. I have like really wide hips, so might not fit the way it fits for everyone. So just keep that in mind. Thanks for watching.